Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with me. I am Emma.
And I am David. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we have a very special topic. We are talking about how to learn English fast.
Yes, and the secret is very simple. It is about doing just 5 minutes a day.
That sounds easy, right? But David, does 5 minutes really work?
It really does, Emma. Many students think they need to study for hours. They think they need to sit at a desk for a long time.
That is true. And then they get tired. They stop studying because it is too hard.
Exactly. But 5 minutes is different. Anyone can find 5 minutes in their day.
I agree. You can do it while you wait for the bus or while you drink your morning coffee.
That is perfect. I started learning a new language last year. I only used 5 minutes every morning.
How did you do it, David? What did you do in those 5 minutes?
I listened to one short song in that language. I read the lyrics, and I practiced saying 3 new words.
That sounds fun. And did you see a difference?
I did. After 1 month, I could understand much more. My brain started to remember the sounds.
That is amazing. Consistency is more important than long hours.
Yes, consistency means doing something every single day, even if it is only a little bit.
So, what can our listeners do for 5 minutes today?
That is a great question. Here are some ideas. You can read one short news article.
You can listen to one short English podcast episode, like this one.
You can write 3 sentences about your day in a notebook.
Or you can speak to yourself in the mirror for 5 minutes. Describe your clothes or your room.
Those are all great ideas. The important thing is to use English every day.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn.
My English was not very good when I started. I made many mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. Even I make mistakes sometimes.
It is true. The most important thing is to keep going.
So, listeners, what is your 5-minute plan for today?
Pick something you enjoy. If you like music, use songs. If you like stories, read short stories.
Make it part of your routine. Put it in your calendar if you need to.
5 minutes is not much time, but over 1 year, it is many, many hours.